Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Eti Setrenita from the 12th grade social 5. I will give a tutorial how to wash machine. The material: a unit of washing machine, detergent, water.
Step: first, spread your clothing. Means you have to spread your clothing into 3 categories: white, dark, and bright colors. Second, read the label to make sure nothing is dry clean only or hand wash only. If you find it, just spread this item into other new pile. Third, read the label on the detergent to put the correct measure into the machine. Next, add the water and wait the tub until full enough. After that, close and turn off the washing machine and let the washing machine wash your clothes until it's finished. After the process of washing has finished, let the clothes dry through the drying hose. After that, see the knob of the wash timer icon. Sit up for 3 minutes more. Do this twice for a good rinsing. Finally, put the wet cloth into the spin compartment, set the cut, and wait until the spin processing shut off. Well done! Your clothes are clean and dry for the drying for a few minutes. Thank you.